guys, welcome to ITS, Information Technology Skills. On this video, we're going to discuss operators, basically assignment, arithmetic operator, comparison, and logical operator in C#. This is the 5th topic of our C# full course tutorial for beginners. So let's start. First, what are operators in C#? If you say operators, these are symbols that are used to perform operations on operands. If you say operand naman guys, ito naman yung sinasabi nating variables or constant dun sa program natin. For example, meron tayong int sum, num1 plus num2. Yung operator natin dun guys is yung plus tsaka yung equal. Mamaya malalaman natin kung saang group sila kabilang. Yung operand naman natin dun guys is yung num1 tsaka yung num2. So, sabi nga dun sa operand, pwedeng variable, pwede ding constant. So, pwede ding ganito. Meron tayong, let's say, double total. Yung data type ni total is double, equal sign, x plus 2.5. So, let's say, yung x that is your operand, 2.5 is also an operand. Yung equal sign, that is also an operator. So, we have these 4 common operators that are used in C#. First, we have the arithmetic operators. Next, the assignment operators. We also have comparison operators and logical operators. So, ano tong apat na to? So, dito muna tayo kay arithmetic operator. If you say arithmetic operator, these are used to perform common mathematical operation. So, basically, pag sinabi nating arithmetic operators, these are the operators na ginagamit natin for computation or ito yung mga mathematical computation. So, we have here some of the operators that are used in arithmetic operator or yung mathematical operations po natin. We have the 4 basic operator. We have the plus, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, makikita natin yung division natin dun is slash. Yung multiplication natin is asterisk. Yung addition and subtraction, basic, that is the plus and minus. Then, meron tayong nakikita ditong percent sign. Itong percent sign naman na to is the modulus. Okay? So, try muna natin tong 5 to dun sa program natin. So, dito sa my program natin, guys, kumuha na muna tayo ng value kay user. So, let's say we're going to ask the user to enter 2 numbers. Then, yung sum ng dalawang numbers na yon is i-compute natin siya. Okay? So, copyhin muna natin tong code na to and I'll be explaining kung ano ibig niyang sabihin. So, dito guys, naglagay ako ng data type na int, then yung variable natin, or ito yung operand natin na num1. So, sabi nga kanina, mag-input si user ng number. So, dito, gumamit tayo of course ng console.readline. So, kung hindi pa natin napanood kung paano natin to i-convert into number, kasi kung makikita natin, meron tayong error dito, I'll be placing the link down below nung video natin kung paano natin i-convert yung string into other data type. Kasi lahat ng ini-input ni user, string po siya. So, ngayon, para i-convert ito into integer, maglagay na lang tayo dito before ng console.readline ng convert, okay? So, dito nagdagdag tayo ng convert.to in 32 kasi int po ang ginagamit nating data type ngayon. Kaya, in 32 yung gagamitin nating conversion and yung console.readline, ilalagay natin siya sa loob ng parentheses. So, dapat merong pair itong parentheses na to para hindi tayo magkaroon ng error. Okay? So, ganyan po ang style niya. So, ngayon, nawala po yung error na natin. So, itong line na to will ask the user to input the first number. So, copy-paste na lang natin siya para naman po mag-input si user ng second number. So, after ni user mag-input ng second number, sabi kanina, kukunin natin yung total. So, for the total, ito magiging code natin. We have in total, the variable name is total of course. Then, yung data type niya is int. Tapos, dito meron lang tayong num1 plus num2. So, ngayon, pwede na natin siyang i-display. So, this line will display yung total na na-compute natin from num1 plus num2. Pero dito guys, meron tayong nakikitang plus. Kung yung plus natin ang katabi niya is string or nandun siya sa double quote, ibig sabihin yan, that is used for concatenation. Pag sinabi natin concatenation, itong word na nasa loob ng double quote, idudugtong niya dun sa total natin. Okay? So, let's try. So, ngayon dito, meron tayong insertion point na makikita. So, allow the user to input a number. So, let's say 5 yung in-input ni user na number. Then, yung second number is 3. Makikita natin, we have yung total na word. Yun yung nandun sa loob ng double quote natin. Tapos, yung value nung total natin, which is 5 plus 3. Kaya po, 8 yung nandito. Again, yung plus dito, used for concatenation. Hindi talaga siya ginagamit for mathematical operation kasi ang katabi niya is string. So, paano naman kapag ayaw natin or wala tayong variable na total? So, let's say, wala yan. Pwede tayong dumiretso ng computation dito. Make sure lang na ilagay natin sa loob ng parentheses yung mathematical equation po natin, which is num1 plus num2. So, ganyan lang po siya. Again, let's try. Ngayon naman, yung first number na in-input ni user is 7, then nag-input siya ng 8. Yung total po na makukuha natin is 15. 7 plus 8. So, ngayon naman guys, let's try the other operators, yung subtraction, multiplication, and division muna. So, here guys, copy na lang natin tong part na to, and ipipaste na lang natin siya. Tapos, palitan na of course natin yung total, gawin natin siyang difference, product, and quotient. Then, of course, pagkatapos nating palitan yung mga words niya, papalitan na lang natin yung operators natin. So, syempre, we have subtraction, multiplication, asterisk po yan. Then, quotient, that is division, slash po yan. So, now, let's try to run. So, let's say, si user nag-enter ng 5 as the first number, 3 sa second number. So, tignan natin kung tama yung mga na-display. So, sa total, that is num1 plus num2, we have 8. Difference, 5 minus 3, so we have 2. Product, 5 times 3, that is 15. Tapos yung quotient, 5 divided by 3, ang sagot po niyan is 1. So, bakit dun sa quotient, 1 lang yung sagot natin dun. And 5 divided by 3 is 1.6 something. Yung reason po dun is, yung data type ng num1 and num2 natin is integer. Pero kung itong integer na to, papalitan natin siya ng pang decimal number just like float or double. So, palitan na lang natin siya ng double. So, once na napalitan na natin to ng double, let's try again. So, again, let's try 5 and 3. So, ngayon, makikita natin that yung quotient natin is 1.6666 something. Okay? So, ganun lang yung kailangan nating gawin. Ngayon naman, guys, let's try modulus. Yung modulus, guys, ang symbol po niyan is percent. For modulus, it returns the division remainder. So, ibig sabihin yung remainder ang binabalik po niya. Okay? So, let's try. Para mas madali natin tong intindihin yung modulus, ibalik na lang natin yung int dito. Okay? Then, again, copy na lang natin yung part na to and replace natin. Remainder ang ipapalit natin dito. So, alam naman natin kapag ang remainder dun sa division natin, ito yung part na hindi na dinidivide kasi mas maliit na siya kaysa dun sa magdi-divide. Okay? So, ang hirap na ma-explain. Hindi ko alam kung divisor o dividend. Okay? So, ito, papalitan natin siya ng percent sign and let's try. So, dito, again, subukan muna natin yung 5 and 3. So, dito na lang tayo na area. 5 divided by 3, that is 1. Okay? So, 1 remainder 2. Okay? Bakit yung remainder 2? Kasi mas maliit na yung 2 kaysa dun sa magdi-divide na 3. Again, let's try another input. Subukan naman natin is 7 and 2. So, dito, 7 divided by 2. Dun sa quotient, alam natin na 3 remainder 1. So, basta yung modulo, ang binabalik niyan is remainder. Ngayon naman, guys, try natin yung increment and decrement. Increment and decrement, guys, are unary operators. Pag sinabi nating unary operator, isang variable lang po ang kailangan niya. Hindi siya tulad nung other arithmetic operators na 2 or more variables ang kailangan natin. So, dito meron tayo nung plus plus, that is for increment. It will increase the value of the variable by 1. So, ibig sabihin magdagdag siya ng variable by 1. So, example, we have x plus plus. Mamaya makita natin yan. Depende kasi kung saan natin ilalagay yung plus plus natin. Next, we have yung minus minus naman natin, that is for the decrement. It will decrease the value of the variable by 1. So, dito guys, tanggalin na lang natin yung ibang line. Maiwan na lang muna yung mag-input si user ng first number. Okay? Then, try natin yung operator natin na increment. So, dito we have console.writeLine. Subukan muna natin yung num++. So, let's try. Let's say, si user nag-input ng 5. So, sabi nga kanina, kapag ginamit natin yung plus plus or the increment operator, it will increase the value of the variable by 1. So, ibig sabihin, itong 5 na to magiging 6. Pero, kapag dinisplay natin siya, 5 pa rin yung output po niya. So, yung reason kasi niyan, guys, naunang i-display yung value ng num1 bago siya nag-increment. So, again, sabi ko nga kanina, depende kung saan mo ilalagay yung increment operator. Pero, kapag yung yung increment operator, ilagay natin siya before no num1. And again, let's try. Si user nag-input again ng 5. Ang output na po niyan is 6. Ibig sabihin po, nag-increment muna siya bago niya display yung value nung num1. So, ibig sabihin, 1 plus 5. So, kailan mag-display yung value nung increment natin? Tulad nung kanina ang gagawin natin. Kapag meron siyang num1 plus plus, andito sa dulo. Mag-change lang po yung value nito after niyang ma-display. Okay? So, copy-paste na lang natin to. And, i-display ulit natin yung magiging bagong value ni num1. So, again, let's try. Si user nag-input ng 5. Yung next na line niya, 5 pa rin yung output. Itong pong num1 plus plus. Yung next na line, ang output na po is 6. Yun na lang po yung num1. Ibig sabihin, natapos na po yung increment dito na area. Kaya po, ang bagong value ni num1 is 6. So, wag natin kakalimutan guys na yung value nung isang variable, depende po kung saan natin ilalagay yung increment or decrement operator natin. So, same lang po sila ni decrement. So, let's try this one. Minus, minus. Again, si user nag-input ng 5. 5 pa rin po dun sa unang display. Dun sa second na display, 4 na po siya. Pero kung gusto nating mag-change agad siya, tanggalin na lang natin to para hindi naman same yung output. I-minus-minus na natin siya agad dyan. Okay? Again, mag-input si user ng 5. Kita natin, nag-minus na siya agad. Kasi, magma-minus muna siya bago niya i-display yung value ni num1. Next guys, we have the assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign value to a variable. So, the basic assignment operator that we have is yung equal sign. And other operators are this one. Kung titingnan natin, we have, of course, the basic one, equal sign. Tapos, meron naman tayo ng plus equals, minus equals, multiply equal, divide equal, and modulo equal. These are the arithmetic operator na tinabihan niya yung equal sign. So, anong gagawin nito? It is the same with arithmetic operator. Ang kwan lang yan, guys. Let's say we have x plus equal 3. Ibig sabihin nun in long equation is x equals to x plus 3. So, to better understand that, punta tayo dun sa code natin. So, dito sa code natin, guys, iniwan ko na lang ulit yung num1 natin. So, dito makikita natin meron tayong equal sign. Again, that is an example of assignment operator. Tapos, subukan natin, guys, yung plus equal. So, copy muna natin tong code na to and I'll explain kung ano ibig niyang sabihin. So, dito guys, meron tayong num1 plus equals 3. Ibig sabihin lang nito guys is num1 equals to num1 plus 3. Okay, so ganyan lang din yung ibig niyang sabihin. So, now guys, let's try to print this one. So, dito guys, again, let's say yung user nag-input ng 5. Then, meron tayong num1 plus equals 3. That is basically the same with num1 equals to num1 plus 3. So, 5 plus 3, ang dapat na makita natin na output is 8. So, itong plus sign dito guys, pwede natin palitan yan ng iba pang arithmetic operators. Pwede natin palitan yan ng multiplication. Wag lang natin kakalimutan na kapag ganyan yan, ang similar equation po niyan is num1 is equal to num1 times 3. So, they're just the same. Next na operator natin, we have the comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to compare two values or variables. Okay? So, from the word comparison nga. The return value of comparison operator is either true or false. So, basically, Boolean values ang nire-return nito. So, here are some of the common comparison operators. Sa iba pala guys, comparison operators are also called relational operators. Okay, so here we have the double equal. Double equal, tatanungin niya kapag equal yung dalawang variable. Not equal, of course, kapag hindi sila magkapareho ng value. And ito yung mga gamit na gamit nating operator nung bata tayo or nung elementary tayo. We have the greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So, let's try. So, dito guys, again, tanggalin muna natin to and ibalik natin yung num2 natin. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, we're going to ask the user to enter two numbers again. And tatanungin lang natin kung ano yung relationship or i-compare natin yung dalawang number na in-input ni user. Kung equal ba sila, kung hindi ba sila equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, and others. Okay, so, for that one, pwedeng gumawa tayo ng variable. Pwede ulit tayong gumamit ng variable na gusto natin. So, let's say is equal. Tatanungin natin kapag equal sila. So, titignan natin dito kapag gagamit tayo ng variable, yung data type natin is bool. Kasi ang reason po niyan, boolean value ang i-return ng relational operators natin. True or false lang po siya. So, let's say we're going to ask if num1 is equal to num2. Okay? Dito makikita natin mayroon tayong single equal. Single equal, that is for assignment operator. Double equal, tatanungin niya ko pag magkapareho sila. Okay? So, let's try to print. Okay, ganyan na lang muna. Let's try. So, let's say si user nag-enter ulit ng 5, then 3. So, tatanungin natin dito, 5 equal to 3. So, yung sagot niya, true or false, isi-save natin dun sa variable natin na is equal. And yung value po nun is ipiprint natin. Okay? So, dito, the value is a false. Alam naman natin that 5 is not equal to 3. So, yun din sa arithmetic operators, guys. Pwedeng hindi tayo gumawa ng variables. Pwedeng diretsong print lang din naman na natin. Okay? So, tatanungin na lang natin if not equal naman to. Okay, so for is not equal, ang ilalagay natin is exclamation equal sign. And of course, wag natin kakalimutang nakalagay dapat yung variables natin dun sa loob ng parentheses kasi yung plus sign dito is used for concatenation. Okay, so pag ganyan, let's try. Let's say 5 ulit in-input ni user and 3. So, yung first na value natin, the value is false. Siyempre, tinanong natin if 5 is equal to 3. So, yung sagot niya, false. Then, yung second output natin is not equal. Yung sagot naman niya is true. Okay, kasi tinanong naman natin if num1 is not equal to num2. Siyempre, 5 is not equal to 3, kaya true yung sagot niya. Okay, so for the other operators or comparison operators, tignan nyo na lang or try nyo na lang. Next naman guys is yung logical operator natin. Logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values. The return value of a logical operator is either true or false. So, similar with conditional operators, true or false din or boolean values din ang output po nito. Okay, so here are the symbols na ginagamit in logical operators. We have the double ampersand. This is for the logical AND or AND operator. Returns true if both statements are true. So, let's say meron tayong x less than 5 and x less than 10. So, let's say yung x natin is 1, 1 less than 5, that is true, and 1 less than 10, both of these statement are true. So, ibig sabihin, ang output po is true. Next, ito naman pong vertical line po natin or the logical OR. Returns true if one of the statement is true. So, ibig sabihin, kahit isa lang dun sa dalawa, true na pong output niya. So, here, meron tayong x less than 5 or x less than 4. So, dito sa statement natin na to, kahit isa lang ang true na po ang output. Okay? So, next, we have yung exclamation natin or the logical NOT. It will reverse the result. So, returns false if the result is true. Returns true if the result is false. Okay? So, here, meron tayong NOT. Naka-parenthesis po yung buong equation po natin. X less than 5 and x less than 10. So, tulad nung kanina na lang, 1 less than 5, that is true. And 1 less than 10, and again, that is true. So, yung output po nitong nasa loob ng parenthesis is true. Pero dun sa labas, meron tayong not operator. So, sabi nga, i-reverse niya yung result. So, opposite of true, ang di-display niya is false. Okay, so let's try. So, dito guys, meron tayo nung line natin na kukuha ng input or number kay user. And we're going to ask if yung user na yun is either true or false using the logical operator. So, dito, copy this code first and I'll explain kung ano ibig niya sabihin. So here guys, meron tayo nung variable natin na result. Ang data type niya of course is bool dahil either true or false na yung output natin dito. And meron tayong makikita ang equation natin na to. So bali ginaya ko na lang muna yung nandun sa presentation kanina. So we have num1, ito yung x kanina, less than 5 and num1 less than 10. Okay, so let's try to run. Then subukan nating mag-enter ng 1. So after maka-enter, press lang natin yung enter key. Yung result natin is true. Okay, so bakit true? Kasi 1 less than 5, that is true. And 1 less than 10, that is also true. So, both of the condition dito are true. So, ibig sabihin, true yung pinaka-final answer. Again, let's try. Paano naman kapag nag-input si user ng 6? Ang output na po niya ngayon is false. Bakit na po siya false? Okay? So, yung first na statement natin, num1 less than 5, ang sagot po niyan is false. While yung second, num1 less than 10, which is 6 less than 10, ang sagot naman po niyan is true. So, false and true, isa sa kanila is false. Ibig sabihin, automatic itong condition natin na to or itong statement natin na to is false. Okay, ganun po gumagana yung AND operator. Ngayon naman guys, palitan naman natin tong AND operator natin ng OR. Okay, so let's try. So, dito guys, mag-enter naman ulit tayo ng 1. Tignan natin kung anong magiging result. So, pag enter natin ng 1, ang result is true. So, bakit true? Num1 less than 5. So, 1 less than 5, that is true. Or num1 less than 10, that is also true. So, true or true, isa lang naman pagpipilian niya. So, true na yung result. Again, let's try another number. Subukan naman natin yung 6. So, pag enter natin ng 6, ang result is true. Okay, so medyo iba sila ni AND operator kanina. So, bakit true naman siya? So, we have num1 less than 5, which is 6 less than 5. The answer is false. Or, num1 less than 10, 6 less than 10, that is true. So, kung sa OR operator, pag merong isang true sa kanilang dalawa, ang output na po is true. So, dito meron tayong makikitang true sa kanila, which is this one. Kaya po, true yung display natin kanina. So, ngayon naman guys, maglagay naman tayo ng not operator. So, ilagay na lang natin tong equation natin na to or statement natin na to sa loob ng parentheses. And outside the parentheses is yung not natin. So, sabi kanina, i-reverse niya yung output. So, let's try. So, again, let's try 1. So, nung walang not operator, nung 1 ang display natin or input natin, ang result is true. Ngayon, ang result niya po is false. So, bakit false? Dito, we have 1 less than 5, that is true. Or 1 less than 10, that is also true. Okay? So, true or true, walang ibang pagpipilian. Yung result dito is true. Pero meron tayong not operator sa labas. Ibig sabihin, babaliktarin niya yung result, gagawin niya false. Kaya po dito sa output natin, false po ang naka-display. So, kung medyo nalilito tayo kung paano gumagana yung AND, OR, and NOT, gagawin natin yan ng truth table para mas madali nating maintindihan. That will be on our next video. So, kung nagustuhan tong video na to, don't forget to like. And kung gusto mo pang matuto about computer programming and other computer stuff, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tutorial videos. Bye!